Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to email, download and print clinical forms. To start off, these features will be available for all clinical forms such as the referral letter, script and seek note, to name a few. You will see the following buttons at the bottom of each clinical form that you are currently in. After you've completed your clinical form, as we did with the script as an example, you can now choose to email and/or print it for the patient. Let's show you how to email this form. Click on the email button. The email workflow event window will then pop up where you will complete your email's information. The to email address that is saved in the debtor/patient file will automatically pull through, but it can be changed if you wish to. Just as any email, you can choose to add other email addresses in the CC and BCC fields. Add a subject to your email. In the free text box, you can add the body of your email. Underneath, your clinical form will already be attached to the email as a PDF. To add another attachment, click on the blue plus button next to Attachments. You can click on the blue View button to look at an attachment. To remove an attachment, click on the red Delete button. Once you're done with your email, click on the Send button. Let's show you how to download this form. Click on the blue arrow next to the Print button to show more options. From there, click on Download. The clinical form will then be downloaded as a PDF. Lastly, let's show you how to print this form. Simply click on the Print button. Your print screen will open where you can click on the Print button.